And Llywodraeth, good evening. Croeso, welcome to the Cambrian Training Company Apprenticeship Awards 2025.
Any business is people, and I think if we can invest in people, it only brings positive outcomes for the business and for those concerned. So this is more about the individuals who nominated themselves and put themselves forward for training, and are looking to better their skills and improve what they do.